Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this quick video I'll be showing you how to remove bad reviews from Google, from your Google business listing. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have this page which I created. It's a business page. It's a business listing that I created, I don't know, maybe 15 years ago. I still have the ownership of this website, of this business listing. So what happens is if I go to read reviews, I see that there are some positive and negative reviews. So this currently has 4.0 rating with 20 reviews, and you can see there are some reviews where people have mistakenly mentioned, have given me 1 star instead of 5 stars. This one as well, and other reviews are just fine. So the most important thing to know is that Google has a set of policies that you'll have to follow in order to have this review removed. And the most common one is to report this, to flag these reviews. But however, Google will not be removing this if the customers or if the persons have just expressed their dissatisfaction with your services. So the first and foremost thing is to follow the golden rule and reply to their comment with an apology, asking them to contact you or send you an email or contact you directly so that you can fix that the service that you could not give, and request them to have this review changed or deleted. So this is number 1. And number 2 is to flag, in case if you find out that this review is something off topic and this is not your customer, somebody from your competition is trying to damage your reputation. In that case, you can report this. So now how to report this review is by clicking on this icon here which says report review. Just click on this and so when you click on this, this will ask you why you are reporting this review. So you'll have to select the topic. If it is a off topic, if it is the reason is off topic, then in that case you will have to select this, saying that this review doesn't even belong to your business. And if it is a spam, if it is a bot, or if your competition is using some method to just destroy your business online, in that case you will select this spam option. Google will definitely review this and have it removed if it violates the policy. And conflict of interest, I know what is this. I just explained it. If it is the competitor who is deliberately trying to bring your business down, and if you find out that if there is profanity, if somebody is squaring you on the comments and the reviews, in that case you can report this as profanity. And if the review contains bullying or harassment of some kind, you can select this option. And also any discrimination or hate speech, you very well know what this is. And if a review contains personal information, in that case you can report saying that this contained your personal information, like your name or the number, and that will definitely get removed. And the next option that you have right now is there's an option here to seek legal help. In that case, you can directly request Google to have this removed by submitting the request and selecting the appropriate reason. So I'll click on legal help. This will open a new tab, and here you can select if you really want to report this. If this is related to AI generated product, I'll select this as no, and this request the product and policy legal reasons. See, now you have 2 things here. One is policy and one is legal reasons. Legal reasons is let's say you have a court order, you live in a country where it restricts such content, and people have violated that. In that case, you have some legal documents, legal grounds to report this to Google and provide them with the proof and have this removed. You can do that. And next is if it is an intellectual property court order, just like I mentioned, or other. In case of other, you can create a manual request, and you will get an email to your email address, and also Google will retain a copy just in case for any future proceedings or any legal intervention. Google will show that you have reported this to the Google. So like I told you, the golden rule is to apologize to the customer if it is a genuine dissatisfaction review. And the second method is to report this, to flag this using these options here, and you will get an email within 3 days. If the email contains something negative, like if they say they're not going to remove this, in that case the only option for you is to request, get in touch with the people. And here's the final method which works best for most of the businesses. So we have this reviews here, right? So what you can do is, you have some loyal customers, so you can request them to visit your Google business page, go to this reviews wherever there is some negativity, and report those reviews. So now, because Google value the third party data and the inputs from the third party and other people, so if they start reporting this as negative review or not helpful, or if they report this as spam, in that case Google will have this removed. So I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.